Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide context when sharing content on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then in here tap on advanced features. Next, go down and then tap on Show Context when sharing content. Tap on this toggle button to switch it on or turn off. When this is on, it will show context when you share content. So here if I go into my gallery, and if I try to share a picture, you can see it shows some context at the top here that I can quickly select. If I switch it off, then in my share window, it will not show context in my sharing window. And that is how you can show or hide context when sharing content on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.